All right, here's everything I ate in New Orleans. Do you travel just to go eat to different places? This first stop is Canal Street in New Orleans. All right, let's talk about this is the Cajun Boil House. This is the inside. Again, this is superb, superb, superb. It was very busy. It had a wait, but the wait wasn't too bad. So here is first one, the Cajun fried rice. It had shrimp, crawfish. It was very good. And it came with its own sauce. The Cajun seafood boil. It came with a cluster, potatoes, shrimp, corn. My mom loved it. Sausage. So here is me tasting the food. Again, this is a Cajun rice with the potato. It was delicious. Oh man, I can't. It's so good. You see my face right here? So good. Dipping. It's good. This is me trying out the shrimp. Look at there. It's so good. So good, so good, so good. You can see I'm about to waste it on my shirt. So good. Highly recommend you go here. This is the Cajun Boil House in New Orleans on Canal Street. Next up is the oysters. Have you had oysters before? 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Very good. Came with bread or oysters. Good. Highly recommend. Next up is Little Dizzy's Cafe. I found this place online through Instagram. Again, it was very busy. It was a wait. They only open from 11:30 to 3:30 every day. This is Little Dizzy. The food was okay. This is more like soul food. It was okay. It wasn't anything to write home about, but we did give them a try. Support. This is the soul food at Little Dizzy's Cafe. This is Little Dizzy's Cafe. This is the fried chicken. I got the 4-piece with the macaroni and cheese. Again, they're okay. Not even, I would support. Again, I found them online. This is Little Dizzy's Cafe. So you know I had to get beignets while in New Orleans. Again, I'm not a big beignet fan, but you have to get beignets. This is one of the beignet shops in New Orleans. It wasn't Cafe Du Monde. So here's me trying out the beignets. And this one, again, highly recommend if you're in New Orleans, you definitely have to get you a beignet. Now here is another restaurant we went to on Canal Street called Dini's Seafood. It was really good. Highly recommend too. This is the gumbo. This is the seafood platter. Highly recommend. Enough for 2 people, 3 people to eat off of. So you can't go to New Orleans without getting one of these bad boys. This is a snowball. Delicious. Oh, just love going to New Orleans just to eat, and you must get a snowball. Now it's time to go home. Look how fast my mama walking. Sad. That was everything I ate in New Orleans. Beignets, gumbo, catfish. Again, we love New Orleans. We just love the food. Snowballs.